Hi, my name is Marjorie Wildcraft. I'm the founder of the Grow Network, which is a movement of people who are stopping the destruction of the earth via homegrown food. I was recently interviewed by Authority magazine for their series of women leaders in health, and they asked me to create a companion video of 5 things I wish somebody had told me before I became a CEO. I have to admit, I probably wouldn't have listened to these things myself. Just like I knew way more about parenting before I ever got pregnant, and now that my kids are in their 20s, I'm realizing I know less and less every year. Here are 5 things that I've absolutely learned, and if you're starting on this journey, I hope you take them to heart. I can distill down the job of a CEO down to one thing, and that is you are going to make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of decisions that you don't have enough information about, and yet you are 100% responsible for. So I have really learned to trust my gut and to move fast and actually to apologize a lot. I've learned never to make decisions when I'm tired, like late at night. And I've also learned on the rare occasions when I have to take strong antibiotics, I will make sure that until I've rebuilt my gut bacteria, I cancel all decision-making processes. Being a CEO is going to be the most intense personal growth trip that you will ever take in your life. I mean, it has challenged every belief and every cherished ideal I ever had, upended it, and often destroyed it. And you have to be prepared to change in ways that you never thought you would. I can't tell you how many, literally hundreds of products or processes or ideas that we've had that we tried that the marketplace absolutely rejected, or it just didn't work within our organization. One example is these are strong and sexy, the herbal infusions. So these are herbs that are really, really deeply nutritious. You make a drink out of it at home, drink it every day, supercharges your body with nutrition. I love the branding. Come on, strong and sexy, right? Nobody was buying it, so I'm still working off the inventory. The first thing that has been hard for me to learn is that you as a CEO are unique and different. And no matter how egalitarian an organization I tried to create, the CEO has a very unique position. And no matter how good your employees are, how great they are, and hopefully they all are, you just have a different role to play, and it can be a little bit lonely. So what I found really has worked for me to have all sorts of outside support. And like I have 2 accountability groups that I meet with every week, other peer-to-peer business owners. We talk about issues and things that are opportunities, things that are coming up. There's one group that I've been with for 10 years. Those relationships and quite frankly, the honest feedback from the other members in the group, their support and recommendations for resources have been invaluable throughout the years. So definitely recognize that as a CEO, you are different, and you definitely find yourself some peer-to-peer networks to get connected into. For a CEO, the concept of work-life balance is a complete myth, but you absolutely have to make it a priority to make time for your family, your friends, being involved in your community. This is a marathon, not a sprint, and you really, really need the love and support and honestly the perspective of people that are outside your work sphere and in your immediate circles. Definitely going off-grid from time to time to renew and refresh and do something completely different from work is super important to regenerate yourself. The other thing is change your beliefs that sleep is a waste of time to that sleep is vitally important to regenerate your body, which it is. The most crucial skill for a CEO is to build a team of A players. Without a great team, you're not ever going to go anywhere. The way to attract and retain A players is to have systems and processes in place that make sense and are efficient, to have a culture that's a lot of fun, and to have a company purpose that is deeply meaningful. Every meeting at the Grow Network has an agenda, and we harness the power of rhythms and cycles to increase efficiency and to help streamline the organization. We have a lot of fun. We joke around. We have a competition to see who's going to have the most fun that weekend. And also, the purpose of the organization is to stop the destruction of the earth via homegrown food. So everybody comes to work every day knowing that they're doing deeply meaningful things that are improving not only their lives, but the entire planet. So yeah, Marjorie Wildcraft, founder of the Grow Network. If you don't have a garden and some chickens or maybe a backyard rabbitry and you want to learn how to start growing some of your own food, definitely come visit us. We're over at thegrownetwork.com.